For those looking to be serious players in the screen printing business, whether you're just starting out, adding screen printing to an embroidery shop or a sign shop, or expanding an existing smaller screen printing operation, we recommend looking at our Pro Series packages. The Ryonet Pro level packages are based around the Riley Hopkins screen printing press. The Riley Hopkins press has been a staple in the industry for over 30 years. These presses are by far the most popular presses sold in the industry today. They're popular because they're fast, both in setup with either joystick or micro registration, and in print speeds because they're lightweight and compatible, and available at affordable prices compared to other presses in the industry. These presses not only set up quickly, but they print at speeds at over 100 shirts per hour. Our Pro level packages start out with a 4-color 4-station Riley Hopkins, packaged around a flash dryer, a washout sink, an exposure unit, and a complete supply kit. Our more popular packages include larger presses like a 6-color 4-station Riley Hopkins press, a film output printer to make very good screens, a little bit larger exposure units, sometimes with a compression lid, more screens, chemicals and supplies, as well as a washout sink to clean up after you're done printing. Most importantly, these packages come with at least one free tuition pass to Ryonet Screen Printing Academy. At a Screen Printing Academy, you'll get hands-on training on how to use your equipment. In fact, we use this very equipment that I'm standing in front of right now. This training is pivotal for you to be successful as a screen printer. We find that screen printers that take advantage of that free training do much better in the market as they're beginning. You also have our training DVDs, chat support, our help desk, and toll-free phone support in case you get stuck along the way or have any questions. If you look at the startup cost to one of our Pro level packages and compare it to what it would cost to start a business in any other industry, it's crazy to think that you can print hundreds of shirts per hour with one of these Pro level packages at dollars profit per shirt. That's a lot of profit potential for something you can start out leasing at under $200 a month. Of course, leasing and financing options always vary depending on credit terms and how long you're going to be leasing the equipment for. So to check out these options, go to any package page of our website or the financing page of the website and see what options are available for you. Just like in many other industries, if you invest in the right tools to begin with, you'll be able to produce work with higher quality and quicker speeds. So here are some important upgrades to think about when you're investing in one of our Pro level packages. Investing in a film output printer or a larger film output printer is a very, very smart thing to do, and also powering that with the right software. Separation Studio is a powerful registration software that allows you to separate complex designs with a click of a button, producing very high quality results. And always keep this in mind, this is screen printing, so the better screens you make, the better shirts you print. To make better screens, that film output is once again very important, but also a good exposure unit. So if you invest a little bit more in a vacuum exposure unit or a single point exposure unit, you're going to be able to make better screens quicker. Your profitability as a screen printer is dictated by how many shirts you can print per hour. Having a conveyor dryer or a larger conveyor dryer allows you to print more shirts per hour more consistently and accurately. Definitely take a look at a budget for a conveyor dryer in your package and think about going with a little bit more capacity to allow you to do more shirts per hour. Check out all the Pro level packages as well as upgrade options and finance options on the Business Packages page of our website. There's also a quick survey that you can fill out that will help us recommend the right package for you depending on your needs, your budget, and what you want to accomplish in screen printing. As always, if you have any questions or would like our advice as you get started, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email at sales@ryonet.com.